Hello friends, come with me a peaceful ride through Dalian, one of China's most beautiful seaside cities. We will see real street life, local people and the charm of the coastal gem, all through a bus window. Let's go explore Dalian together. Right now, I am walking toward the bus stop. The streets are calm and quiet, typical of Dalian in the morning. You can already feel the sea breeze and see how clean and green the city is. Dalian is known for its open road, beautiful trees, and relaxing pace. It's not as loud as cities like Beijing or Shanghai. It has its own calm style. Alright, I am on the bus now. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. As you look out the window, you will notice Dalian has a peaceful rhythm. Their mix of wide modern roads, old apartments block, cozy corner shops, and most freshly built towers. That's what makes Dalian so special. It's not just one thing. It's where the old meets the new, every day right in front of your eyes. The city is located in northeast China, part of Liaoning province, and it sits right beside the Yellow Sea. Because of its location, Dalian has always been important of the trade and travel. But it's also had a complex history. For many years, different countries controlled it. First Russia, then Japan. The influence is still visible. If you visit area like Russian Street or Chongqing Square, you will see building with Europe-style architecture. Some streets even feel like they belong in a different country. But at the same time, Dalian is proudly Chinese. You will see street food stalls and banners for local festivals, especially during Spring Festival or National Day. And yes, seafood is the huge part of life here. The city is famous for its fresh catches. People here eat shrimp, crab, clams, cucumbers, all fresh from the sea. If you are foodie, Dalian is paradise. One dish I'd recommend is seafood hot pot. It's warm, flavorful, and perfect for colder days. As we ride, look at the streets. They have clean, green, and organized. That's no accident. Dalian is considered one of the China's best placed cities. The traffic flow well and you will often see long rows of trees planted along the sidewalks. Even in the city center you can find quiet park where people play chess, dance or just sit and enjoy the breeze. It's home to top schools like Dalian Maritime University and Dalian University of Technology. That's mean lot of students and with them lots of cafe, bookstore and affordable places to eat. It gives the city young and energetic feel. And even though we are not going to this ride, Dalian coastal is stunning. There are beaches like Tiger Beach and Shanghai Bay. There are also a coastal road where people go cycling with a full sea view. I also love how people live here. It's not rushed. You will see elderly folks playing cards in the morning, shopkeepers chatting with neighbors, and kids walking to school in groups. That sense of community like everyone knows their corner of the city. As the bus moves on, maybe we will notice little things. Laundry hanging from the balconies, delivery drivers on the scooter, some selling steam buns from a cart. These simple, everyday sights tell you more about a place than big landmark ever could. And that's what I want to share with you. Not just the tourist version of the Dalian, but the real one. The version you see from a bus seat with the local people, real street and quiet beauty. So if you ever visit China and want something peaceful, friendly and little different, Dalian is waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this ride through Dalian. If you like the view, hit the like button and subscribe for more real travels videos. See you next one.